Welcome to Learn Smart Kids.
Hello, little learners. Today, we are playing a fun guessing game. I will give you a clue, and you have to guess the vegetable. Are you ready? Let's go. I am orange, long, and crunchy. Who am I? Carrot. This is a carrot. I am round, brown outside, and soft inside. Who am I? This is a potato. This is a potato. I am small, round, and red. Who am I? Tomato. This is a tomato. I am yellow and grow on a cob. Who am I? Corn. This is corn. I am green, long, and watery inside. Who am I? Cucumber. This is a cucumber. I am green and look like a tiny tree. Who am I? Broccoli. This is broccoli. I am purple outside and white inside. Who am I? Onion. This is an onion. I am round, green, and people love to eat me in soups. Who am I? Cabbage. This is cabbage. I am small, round, and green. People love me in rice. Who am I? Peas. These are peas. I am long, purple, and sometimes called an aubergine. Who am I? Eggplant. This is an eggplant. I am spicy, green, and tiny. Who am I? Chili. This is a chili. I am round, purple, and used to make pickles. Who am I? Beetroot. This is beetroot. I am shaped like a bell and come in many colors. Who am I? Bell pepper. This is a bell pepper. I am white and look like broccoli, but I am not green. Who am I? Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. I am big, round, and orange. You see me at Halloween. Who am I? Pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. I am tiny, green, and look like mini cabbages. Who am I? Brussels sprouts. These are Brussels sprouts. I have big green leaves. People eat me in salads. Who am I? Lettuce. This is lettuce. I am green and have a strong smell. People love me in soups. Who am I? Celery. This is celery. I am round, white, and a little spicy. Who am I? Radish. This is a radish. I am small, white, and grow in groups. Who am I? Mushrooms. These are mushrooms. Wow, you did an amazing job guessing vegetables today. Now you know vegetables. Keep practicing and learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.